Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. We are talking about hospital English, simple health conversations for beginners. Episode 8, Part 3. Section 17, Emergency English. Very important. Sometimes health problems are serious. You need emergency English. Simple sentences can save time. I need a doctor. It's an emergency. Please help me. Call an ambulance.
Short, clear sentences are best in emergencies. Practice.
Repeat after me. I need a doctor. It's an emergency. Please help me. Call an ambulance. Excellent. Funny story 7. Alex said, I need a teacher. Alex wanted to say doctor.
But I said, I need a teacher.
Wrong building. Section 19. Hospital and reception English. At a hospital or clinic, you may speak to the receptionist. Useful sentences. I have an appointment. I need to see a doctor. This is my first visit. My appointment is at 10 a.m.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice. Repeat. I have an appointment. I need to see a doctor. Good. Funny story 8. Luna said, I have appointment. I wanted to say appointment. I said, I have appointment.
Doctor appointment with extra points. Section 21. Pharmacy or medical store English.
After the doctor, you go to the pharmacy. Useful sentences. I need this medicine. Do you have this? How much is this medicine? Do I need a prescription?
Very useful for daily life.
Practice. Repeat. I need this medicine. Do I need a prescription? Great. Section 22. Understanding medicine instructions. Medicine instructions are important. Common instructions are take once a day, take twice a day, before food, after food, for 5 days.
If you don't understand, ask again.
Practice. Repeat. Once a day, twice a day, after food. Excellent. Funny story 9. Alex took medicine after every food. Alex heard after food, so Alex took medicine after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. The doctor meant once, not every meal. Section 24. Full doctor visit roleplay. Complete. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What's the problem?
I have stomach pain.
How long have you had this?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No.
Okay, take this medicine twice a day after food and drink more water.
Thank you, doctor. Section 25. Speaking practice for you, final. Pause and answer out loud. 1. What problem do you have? 2. How long have you had it? 3. What medicine did the doctor give?
Speaking practice builds confidence.
Section 26. Confidence and motivation. Health English is serious, but simple English works best.
Doctors don't expect perfect grammar.
Final call to action. If this episode helped you, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Miss Grammar. Episode 9, English for Travel, is coming next. Take care and see you soon. Love.